Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So acne and hyperpigmentation has literally humbled me, as you can tell. I used to struggle, guys, but if you've been struggling with this same issue and you want to get rid of your dark spot, uneven skin tone, or even dull skin, in this video I'm going to be doing everything. I'm going to show you my complete skincare routine that has helped my skin to look brighter, healthier, and more even over time. So I'm sharing with you everything that I use. The first thing is always cleansing. I am using the Rovectin Gentle Cleanser. One thing about this cleanser that I really love is how soft and gentle it is. It feels good on the skin without doing too much, and it actually removes the dirt and whatever leftover products from everything. Before applying this to my face, I like to use this one. This one is the Glow cleansing oil. So I basically do a little bit of double cleansing. Double cleansing has really transformed my skin to just deal with acne, and I make sure to do the 1 minute rule for both the cleansing oil and the cleanser. Yes, and cleanse properly, guys. Spend time to cleanse your skin. After that, I go in with my Glow toner with a cotton pad. This toner just basically helps remove any residue after the cleansing process, and it helps also to balance the skin, and it has a brightening effect because it's also a vitamin C citrusy toner. I basically just apply it all over my skin, and this helps my skin to just look and feel nice and refreshed, to ensure that the other products are nicely absorbed. After that, I go in my Amazon Red Clay mask. This one is from Misha. I always like showing you the texture of the product so you can see, and I really like how this performs. I feel like it just helps to remove any excess impurities on my skin and so forth. And I basically just use a spatula to apply everything evenly across my face. And clay masks are great because they help to absorb excess oil, as I said before, cleanse pores, and it just leaves your skin feeling refreshed and nice. And this also helps with getting rid of your acne. Yes, so if the acne want to develop the T-zones of your face, if you're the type of person that gets acne in your T-zone, you don't have to apply this all over the face, because this can literally, if you do it too much, can dry out your skin and cause you to produce more oil. But whenever you feel like any particular area of your face feels congested, this actually helps. And I also use the Banish enzyme mask cleanser, the pumpkin enzyme mask, I should say. I use that too, but I was looking in it just recently and I saw some little stuff that I wasn't really used to, and I don't know what that is. I don't know if it's expired. I don't know what was wrong with it, but I decided to not use it because I don't want any problem to develop on my face. Okay, and right after that, we go in with the fig sugar mask, and I want to exfoliate my lips because I don't want to cross the lips. I want my lips to look nice and exfoliated, and when I put my lip gloss on, everything just applies smoothly and you don't see just roughness on my lips. I don't want crusty lips, basically. So I just basically scrub it and to just get rid of the hyperpigmentation on my lip, because sometimes I develop hyperpigmentation because I like to bite the flesh or the skin off my lip. I just like playing with my lips, and if you do that too much, it will cause your lip to be hyperpigmented. So I'm just trying to make sure that I do that, and I just use the leftover under my chin, not under my chin, under my lips, to make sure that that area is also exfoliated, because I've been realizing recently that I have been getting few little acne in those little areas. So this is what I'm doing. And right after that, I go in with my mugwort. This one is the mugwort calming mask from I'm From. I love this because I feel like this just helps to calm my skin down after applying and as you can see close up, it just gives my skin a nice hydrated soft look, you know. And I just apply that because it just calms my skin down and so forth. And I just drank some tea, as you can tell. We're using now the ordinary Saccharomyces toner. Now this is my second toning. This, oh my gosh, this one is known for just improving the hydration, and it supports healthy skin barrier. I use a cotton pad with it immediately, and look at my skin, guys. You can literally see how hydrated my skin is. I just use the mask. Look at my skin. I haven't applied moisturizer. My skin is so hydrated after using this, and I really love that. After that, salicylic acid from the ordinary. Salicylic acid is great for helping those pores, you know, reduce congestion and to keep it clear, and prevents breakout and just texture and excess oil. Applying it in small portions all over the face. Yes, and just be careful how you apply this, because sometimes it can seem a bit soapy, so you just pat it in and allow it to dry down. After that, Active Retinoid Emulsion. This one is a retinoid, so this is going to help with the anti-aging. This one is just a creamy texture, and it's really comfortable on the skin, and you can apply this one with a lot more products. Like the retinol 1%, I couldn't use this with salicylic acid, so this is the reason why I like this. I just apply it to my skin and allow it to dry down. The important key or important step when it comes to layering your skincare, you have to allow one product to dry down first and then apply the next one. We're going in with a Jade roller. This one is from Clef. I've gotten this maybe about 3-4 years ago, yeah, but this just helps me to, it's part of my self-care, and it helps to reduce puffiness, and it just feels extremely like soothing on the skin. I put it in the refrigerator to allow it to get cold, and then I just, you know, good for like what do you call it again, depuffing, as I said before. Like, what's the term? It is called, yeah, when I remember the term I'll tell you. Yes, lymphatic drainage. Yes. Trying to remember the terms. I know my terms, but I basically apply it in the areas where your skin just drains. After that, finish with that, we go in with our brightening serum. Important, guys, when it comes to hyperpigmentation and summer. This one, tried and true, and hyperpigmentation is my main issues. As you can see, main concern has alpha arbutin and so forth. I applied all over my face. And then we're gonna go in with eye care. This one is the caffeine solution from the ordinary. See me applying under my eyes, because this ensures that, you know, my under eyes look youthful, and whatever is left on it, I just apply it to the rest of my face. After that, you know, just allow everything to dry down. As I said before, we go in with the other skincare products. I am going to go in with my lip product. I usually use this one, icy one, but I'm going to use the News. This one is in Finberry, and then we're going to use the She Glam Jelly Wow Hydrating lip gloss, and I just apply it to my lips, and I love the scent. Like the scent of this, it smells so good. I feel like I could just eat it. Yes, it's in the same category as the Laneige lip sleeping mask. After that, you know, the final step, add moisturizer. I'm using the CosRX Advanced Snail 92 all-in-one cream. This moisturizer is known for the support it gives the skin when it comes to like hydration, and it allows my skin to just look nice, plump, healthy. And you apply a generous amount, guys. Don't apply a lot. And this is perfect also for summer because of the texture that it has. It has a very jelly-like texture, and you know, snail, that slimy kind of look, and that just helps my skin to just look amazing. Okay, look at that, nice and glowy. And then here is a final breakdown of everything that we use. Yes, my skin looks nice and healthy. And I just want you to remember that skincare is all about consistency. Result does not happen overnight, and you have to just stick to your routine, stick to what works for you, and over time it will make a big difference. But thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more skincare, beauty, and self-care content. And let me know in the comment which skincare products you can't live without. See you in the next video.